Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best CPAP cleaners that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SoClean Tube Plus Respironics DreamStation top pick. Introducing the swiftest, safest, most effectual way to sanitize CPAP equipment. SoClean kills 99.9% CPAP germs, bacteria, and pathogens in mask, hose plus reservoir. It's the healthiest way to respire cleaner. This bundle of 2 items includes SoClean and Respironics DreamStation and System 1 adapter. 5.6 pounds SoClean CPAP sanitizing machine utilizes safe, innate, activated oxygen to systematically sanitize and disinfect complete CPAP system. Adapter is included. The inside chamber measures 5.5 lx 5.5 wx 7.25 h and fits manifold mask types. Most full-face masks fit inside chamber. This bundle is expressly designed for Respironics DreamStation and System 1 users. It eliminates 99.9% CPAP bacteria, germs, pathogens securely and naturally with no water or messy chemicals. Completely automated cleaning cycle saves time by performing all work. It sanitizes all CPAP apparatus, including water in reservoir, without detaching mask, hose, reservoir. It's patented, FDA-registered and autonomously lab-tested. Dirty CPAP could make you sick. Just a drop of CPAP water left in mask or hose generates a breeding ground for bacteria. Connect SoClean unit to CPAP equipment. After a straightforward one-time setup, place your mask inside chamber, close lid and SoClean does everything. No more detaching your equipment. SoClean uses activated oxygen, the same secure and verified sanitizing and disinfecting procedure found in water purification, handling of produce, hotel housekeeping and hospice sanitizing. It's not intended to analyze, treat, heal, or prevent any illness or health situation. There's 2-year warranty. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SoClean CPAP Cleaner and Sanitizer. SoClean CPAP Cleaner and Sanitizer is the quickest, non-toxic, most useful way to clean CPAP equipment, so use SoClean CPAP Cleaner and Sanitizer. Breath better and cleaner. 5.6 pounds SoClean CPAP sanitizing machine uses secure, natural, activated oxygen to methodically sanitize and disinfect entire CPAP system. The inside chamber is designed specifically to handle multiple mask types. The inside chamber measures 5.5 lx 5.5 wx 7.25 h. Each SoClean purchase comprises 1 SoClean CPAP cleaner and sanitizer, 1 small bottle pre-wash, 1 cartridge filter, 1 universal injection fitting, 1 slot plug and 1 AC power adapter. Cleaning mustn't be complicated. After a trouble-free one-time setup, just situate mask inside chamber, close lid. It's the world's foremost automated CPAP cleaner, sanitizer. Using activated oxygen, it eliminates 99.9% CPAP germs, microorganisms and pathogens. Some brands, models require adapter for SoClean to function. SoClean adapter helps install SoClean easily and permits several CPAP machines to sustain heated hose functionality. Scent is not detrimental to you. SoClean has safety features and internal filter within unit that switches activated oxygen into breathable one. Equipment remains totally dry the whole time. It connects to CPAP, BiPAP, VPAP, BPAP. It fits nasal pillows, nasal, full and mouth masks. There's easy replacement filter cartridge structure. It allows left, right CPAP hose insertion. It has updated interface, tinier footprint, and indicator lights. SoClean uses the identical secure and proven sanitizing and disinfecting method found in water purifying, item handling, housekeeping, and hospital sanitizing. Sanitize all CPAP equipment, including reservoir water, without removing mask, tube, or reservoir. It destroys 99.95% CPAP germs, microbes and pathogens naturally with no water or chemicals. SoClean's automated cleaning cycle does the cleaning. It must run for 7 minutes. After the run time, the system must stay closed for 2 hours. If you put mask in cleaner in the morning, it will be ready for use by bedtime. There's 1-year limited warranty. At number 3, we have the 3B Lumin CPAP Cleaner. 3B Lumin CPAP Cleaner is a healthy ozone-free UV CPAP mask and accessory sanitizer and disinfectant that saves you from serious health hazards by keeping your device immaculate. 5.5 pounds. Lumin measures 9.2 x 6.2 x 4. Lumin's cleaning cycle is a meager 5 minutes, making it the swiftest and most competent CPAP cleaning system available. Lumin disinfects in 5 minutes by featuring a one-touch operation and mechanical shut-off. Your Lumin chimes and lights up to indicate as the cleaning cycle is done. It's quick and easy, just open sliding tray, place mask and humidifier chamber, shut and push button to start. Lumin has 2-year warranty requiring virtually no preservation without filters to swap and a long-lasting UVC light bulb rated to effortlessly outlast device life. Use Lumin twice weekly on hose. According to US FDA, ozone is a toxic gas with no identified practical medical application in specific, adjunctive, defensive therapy. To use it as a germicide, it should be present in a greater concentration which can be securely tolerated by beings. Ozone irritates lung capacity and respiratory system, causing cough, throat irritation, shortness of breath and pain, burning, or tightness in chest. 3B Lumin isn't a CPAP, BiPAP, PAP medical device, it's a sanitizer for your accessible CPAP equipment. Lumin relies on high-powered germicidal UVC light employed in operating and surgical rooms globally to kill 99% damaging bacteria, fungus, viruses, and mold. With the aptitude to sterilize almost any item that fits in drawer, Lumin is perfect for toothbrushes, hearing aids, or kids' toys. As soon as cleaning cycle is done, there is no excess to wipe off or waiting period necessary. At number 2, we have the Sani Bot D3 CPAP Mask Sanitizer Cleaning Machine. Sani Bot D3 CPAP Mask Sanitizer Cleaning and Disinfection Machine uses water and strong cleansing tablets to Sani Bot D3 CPAP Mask Sanitizer Cleaning Machine safeguard your respiratory health. Use efficient 8-pound Sani Bot D3 to eliminate dirt, rubble, oils and organic residue, swiftly and effortlessly, without leaving any disagreeable ozone scent. Equipped with sleek, touch-screen panel for easy operation, a unique heater function for greater cleaning and sophisticated disinfection, and a convenient drying rack for mask, nasty bacteria, mold or mildew stay away from CPAP accessories. Premium quality CPAP cleaner is attuned with several mask types. Depending on mask size, hoses must be cleaned independently. Stainless steel reservoir tank size is 3L measuring 9.6 x 5.9 x 3.0. It includes stainless steel submersion plate and CPAP mask drying tray, internal water heater, 2x cleaning power of transducer generated ultrasound, detachable lid with window view and drain with turn-off valve. Patented, state-of-the-art disinfecting Sani Bot D3 device does the job. Completely automated, it gives a sparkling clean, sanitized breathing mask at a simple button push. Simply fill stainless steel tank with water, add cleansing tablet, submerge mask and set 1 to 30-minute full range timer. Enjoy specialized disinfection at home, making sleep apnea CPAP mask hygienic and bacteria-free. Unlike other CPAP cleaners that use ozone, this efficient CPAP mask cleaner utilizes plain tap water and dominant disinfectant tablets to deliver heavy-duty, medical hygiene and disinfection in the comfort of your home. Cleaning your sleep apnea CPAP mask is essential to preserve hygienic and bacteria-free apparatus. Sani Bot D3 has 2-year warranty. And finally at number 1, we have the Denshine Mini CPAP Cleaner. Portable Denshine Mini CPAP Cleaner and Disinfector offers cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfection for busy users who prefer to carry an ultra-silent light device. White-colored waterproof-grade IPX1 PE sterilizer for CPAP machine, tube, masks needs cleaning cycle of 25 minutes by ozone. It has 2200 mAh Li battery. Recharging is easy through USB port or AC outlet using USB adapter. Get compact, lightweight, one-button control, trouble-free operation, efficient disinfection. Size is 16*7.5*5.3 cm, 6.3*2.9 2.1 inch, taking up petite space and can effortlessly be transported anywhere. CPAP cleaner automatically cleans CPAP machine using ozone, or activated oxygen, in merely 30 minutes. Simply attach your CPAP machine, fit for 22 mm diameter CPAP tubes, to the small, lightweight, ultra-quiet sterilizer, turn it on, and wait. In this 30-minute time frame, it kills 99% of illness-causing pathogens like mold, microbes, and viruses growing in CPAP mask, hose and water chamber naturally. Automatic cleaning requires no soap, water, or cleaning agents. There are two ways to freshen mask. You use the tube, one side connects mask, other side connects CPAP cleaner, and then open CPAP cleaner to clean. Another way is to place CPAP cleaner and mask into sealing bag, box, then open CPAP cleaner to clean. CPAP apparatus, nasal masks, tubing humidifier produce huge amounts of bacteria, Candida albicans, Staphylococcus aureus, and E. coli harming human cells. CPAP machine and accessories without timely disinfection let germs through pipes, inhaled mask causing bigger harm to human body. Using effective ozone sterilization principle, stay sterilized. Sterilization rate is 99.99%. With clear air, you rest assured. Warranty is 6 months. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.